Welcome to this video on how to update my personal income tax bank account on eFiling using Express Access. It is important to continuously update your security contact details in order to receive one-time PINs for any critical updates. This practice ensures the protection of your information. To update your security contact details, go to My Profile and then Profile and Preference Setup. Under the security contact details, update your email address and your cell phone number and then click on Update and Save. You will then be sent a one-time PIN via your preferred means of contact. Capture the last 6 digits of your one-time PIN and click on Submit. SARS eFiling now includes a feature called Express Access. This allows you to access your current and your previous year's tax returns and update banking details with just minimal clicks. To update your banking details, select the Express Access option on your home page titled Update My Personal Income Tax Bank Account. The banking details update screen will appear. Click on the drop-down to select the bank name. If the bank has a universal branch, the universal branch and the branch code will be displayed. If the bank does not have a universal branch, capture the branch name and the branch code. Please complete account number, select the account type, and complete the account holder's details. When you're done, click on Update Banking Details. A pop-up message will be displayed to confirm your change of banking details. Click Yes to proceed. The system will redirect you to a one-time PIN screen. Enter the last 6 digits of your one-time PIN sent to your preferred method of communication and click on Submit. A message will indicate that your bank details will be sent for verification. If the verification fails, SARS will ask you to submit supporting documents. Click OK to close the message. For more information, visit our website on sars.gov.za. SARS, at your service.